What's up, traders? Edson here, back with another video to help inspire and elevate your trading journey. So this week I executed a trade that turned out exactly as planned, a true statement to the power of sticking to your strategy. Today I'm breaking down every single step, starting from how I identified the perfect setup, pinpointed my entry, managed the trade with the precision, and locked in some solid profits. This isn't just a win to celebrate. It's a masterclass in learning from every move you make in the market. So let's dive right in. As you can see on the screen, we did take a trade on volatility 25 index and we did take a selling position, and our take profit has already been hit on a risk reward ratio of 1:3, a very sweet risk reward ratio. But one can ask, why selling? Well, this market, it can be seen in naked eyes that this market had been moving in series of higher highs and higher lows, just a way a typical uptrend market is moving, while entering a selling position while this market is moving on a downtrend direction. Now, to answer your question that it is lingering in your brain, let us start from the highest time frame. Remember, in this video, I'm teaching you how to do a scalping based on time frame coordination. All right. So let us start on the daily time frame to see the general picture of this market, to see if our selling decision aligns in any way with the general market direction. Now, on the daily time frame right here, we can see that this market already broke the uptrend direction by the break of this structure right here. So technically, we can say that this market, it is first on a downtrend direction. Secondly, we know, or let us revise ourselves how the market is supposed to move in a downtrend direction. This is how the market is supposed to move in a downtrend direction. That means if the market breaks this structure right here, we're expecting for the market to come and retest this area before continuing with its downtrend direction. So after the market broke this structure right here, what we were hoping for is we were hoping for the markets to come to buy all the way to this point right here, to provide us with a system or another conference so that we can keep selling this market. So this is the information that we saw already on the daily time frame. Like, okay, we as day traders, we are expecting the market to come all the way up to this area right here, so that if we can get any selling opportunity, we can ride with the flow. So what we said, okay, let us go on the 1 hour time frame to see if we will get a system or an opportunity that will support the daily overall direction. Now, we are already on the 1 hour time frame right here. So on the 1 hour time frame, already the market gave us a system of this market buying until the liquidity areas that we saw on the daily time frame by this shift right here. But again, we reminded ourselves, how is the market supposed to move on an uptrend direction towards the daily liquidity area? And this is how the market is supposed to move in a downtrend direction. Like after the break of the structure, we expected the market to come to strip these liquidity areas before going to the daily liquidity areas. This is just pure advanced price action. Now, based on our structures right here, you can see we had our first structure at this point right here. That means we were hoping for the market to come to sell towards this area before the market continued to buy. So we said, okay, since we expect this market to come to these areas of liquidities on the 1 hour time frame, let us see if we get some scalping entries to ride this trade towards the 1 hour liquidity areas. So we said, okay, let us go to our scalping time frame, and that is the 15-minute time frame. Now, on the 50-minute time frame at this point right here, we say to ourselves, let us see how this market is moving. Now, the moment the market decided to give us this series of lower lows and lower highs, we said, hey, this market is already finished. We are going to enter all in on this trade. And lucky for us, we know how the market is supposed to move on a downtrend direction. You can see right here, we had our lower low, our lower high, our lower low, our lower high. At this point, we said, okay, let us see the way this market is reacting at this point right here. You can see the market gave us this beautiful doji candlestick. Now, whether you are a beginner trader or an advanced trader, I'm sure you know the meaning of a doji candlestick. This is one of the most powerful reversal candlesticks out there. So we said, okay, let us see if we can do business right here, because remember, you as a day trader, you are a business person, all right? Whether you are entering a trade to do business, make sure your risk reward ratio aligns with your investment that you want to put on this particular trade. So we said, okay, we're expecting the market to come to this 1 hour liquidity areas at this point right here. Let us see if our risk reward ratio can convince us to enter and risk money on this trade. We said, okay, a risk reward ratio of 1:3, it's more than enough for any trader out there. All right. So guys and girls, on this trade, I want you to remember, every trade that you are going to take is a building block on your journey to mastery. Success in Forex isn't achieved by chance. It is crafted through relentless preparation, unwavering discipline, and willingness to learn from every experience. Each trade, whether a win or loss, refines your skills and sharpens your strategy. So keep pushing forward, trust in your process, and know that every step you take brings you closer to becoming the trader you are aspired to be. Your journey is unique, and every challenge is a stepping stone towards greatness. So, if you enjoyed this breakdown and found value in this video, please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, turn on notifications so that you may never miss a new update from Forex Clubhouse. And if you are eager for more real-time insights and tips and strategies, please join my Telegram group. The link can be found in the description below. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy trading, and I wish you all the best.